In today's video, I will show you how to see all your TikTok comments at once. First of all, after you open up your TikTok like this now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side, this one. After you open up your profile like this, as you can see now tap on this, as you can see now, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open your menu like this, all you have to do now, scroll to down and tap on this settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, now scroll all the way to down again and go to this activity center, this one. Activity center, tap on it. So under this activity center, now allow it to finish loading. As you can see now it's loading all your comments that you make on your TikTok account. So in this section now, tap on this second option which says comment history, tap on it, this one. After you tap on this comment history, as you can see now you can be able to see all the comments that you make under other people videos or under your videos on TikTok. As you can see now, here is all the comments. If you tap on the video, as you can see now, let's say I want to see this comment under which video I made it. After you select the comment, now it will show you the video that you made the comment under it. As you can see now, here is the video now. As you can see now, if I tap on this cancel button, let's say if I tap on this cancel button, now here is the video that I made the comment under it. If I tap on this comment, I can be able to see my comment. Here is the comment that I made, as you can see now. So if I tap on this back arrow, here is the comment all. Now you can go ahead now and check all the comments. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and ask question in the comment. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.